The key to understanding customers is the marriage between quantitative and qualitative data. The quantitative, the numbers, that lets us know what is happening. But it's a qualitative data that lets us know why that is happening. And without knowing why, it's very difficult to make intelligent decisions about the future. In a strategic design process, we always look at qualitative data, we always do primary research, we observe customers, we talk to them. And we take that data, we put it together with the quantitative, we create personas so we can really envision who the customers are, what their needs are, what their pain points are, so that we can better serve them. When we think about disruption, the first question is, are you concerned about the future of your company? Because if you're not, you should be. And I'll tell you why. In the first 15 years of this century, between 2000 and 2015, half of the Standard & Poor's 500 companies disappeared. In the middle of the last century, we could expect that the average lifespan of a company would be 61 years. Today, the average lifespan of a company is less than 18 years. So if you are concerned about the future of your company, then you should be planning. And you should be planning in a systematic way. And that means looking at what could be the potential discontinuities that are going to disrupt your industry, looking for those weak signals. In order to do that, you have to be thinking about what are the social changes that are happening? What are the technological changes that are happening? What's happening in other industries? And as Drucker said, innovation is one of the two most important things that a company does, together with marketing, because those create value and everything else is a cost. So I think that in the fourth industrial revolution, we're going to see two different things. One is increased competition from companies from completely different industries. But at the same time, we're going to see these very strange partnerships and cooperation between companies. Let me give you an example. Let's think about Sony and Microsoft. These are two companies that have been bitter rivals in the gaming space for many years. And suddenly they've announced that they're going to be cooperating on cloud gaming and AI in the future to see off the competition that they're facing from Google and from Amazon. But equally, let's look at the automotive industry, where we have a company like Fiat Chrysler that's in a consortium together with other companies like Waymo, which is part of Google Alphabet, and other companies like BMW and Intel. And at the same time, we have BMW working together with its bitter rival Daimler in AI. And that's not even to mention Toyota with their autonomous vehicle. They're talking about partnerships with companies ranging from Amazon to Pizza Hut. So I think we're just at the very beginning of an era of very weird and wonderful partnerships.